What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when apps are crashing on your iPhone Air running iOS 26 or later. The most common reasons on why apps are crashing on your iPhone Air is that they are not yet updated to be run on iOS 26, that your iPhone storage is nearly full, or because of network-related problems on your device. First, open up the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen while on the home screen. From here, swipe up again on your app cards to prevent them from running in the background. When this is done, open up your iPhone Settings app. Here, head to the General section and tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a moment to load your storage information, and then you can preview how much free storage you have left. Make sure to have at least 1 to 2 GB of available storage, depending on which apps are crashing on your device. If you don't have any storage left, follow Apple's storage recommendations to empty the recently deleted photo album or uninstall unused apps. You can then try relaunching the app again. While relaunching the app, try switching your network connection from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa. App crashes are sometimes related to an unreliable network connection. In case nothing helped you out, head back to your iPhone storage settings and locate the app that is crashing on your iPhone Air. Tap on its name and select Offload App. This will offload and then reinstall the problematic app while keeping your personal data related to the application. When this is done, open up your App Store application. From here, tap on the search icon to find the app that is causing issues. If there's an update available, then make sure to download it, and then scroll down to the information section. Here, under Compatibility, you can see if the app works on your iPhone. Some apps require the latest iOS version or are simply not made for your iPhone model. After making sure you downloaded the latest update and that the app works on your iPhone, head back to your iPhone Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. These settings might prevent you from using certain apps on your iPhone if app limits, parental controls, or content and privacy restrictions were ever enabled. Tap on App Limits and make sure that there is no limit for the app that is crashing on your device. Next, head back, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, disable all restrictions temporarily and try launching the app again. If this works and you're able to use the application, then make sure to adjust your screen time settings accordingly. Lastly, make sure to disable any VPN, adblock, or custom DNS temporarily. In your settings, scroll all the way down, tap on Apps, and then find the app that is causing issues on your iPhone. From here, enable Background App Refresh, Mobile Data, and any other settings that are required to make the app run efficiently, such as access to your microphone or your location. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.